The thought of tax debt can send a shiver down the spine of any business owner. It's a daunting challenge that often stems from a combination of factors: messy books, missed deductions, forgotten deadlines, or simply a lack of strategic tax planning. When faced with such a predicament, the immediate need is not just to pay off the debt, but to understand its root cause and prevent its recurrence. This is where a service like Bookkeeper360, with its comprehensive approach to accounting, can be a powerful ally. As an accounting software expert, I often emphasize that good bookkeeping is the foundation of good financial health, and that includes managing your tax obligations. Bookkeeper360 isn't just about recording transactions. It's about providing a holistic financial solution that can directly help businesses navigate and mitigate tax debt. How Bookkeeper360 addresses tax debt: the proactive and reactive approach. Bookkeeper360's assistance with tax debt can be understood through two key lenses: proactive prevention and reactive resolution. 1. Proactive prevention: stopping tax debt before it starts. The best way to deal with tax debt is to avoid it entirely. Bookkeeper360's core services are designed to build a robust financial foundation that minimizes the chances of accumulating tax liabilities. Accurate and up-to-date bookkeeping: this is the bedrock. Tax debt often arises from disorganized or inaccurate financial records. If you don't know your true income, expenses, and deductible items, calculating your tax liability becomes a guessing game. Bookkeeper360 provides dedicated, US-based bookkeepers who ensure your transactions are accurately categorized and reconciled on a regular basis. This means clear visibility. You'll have a real-time, accurate picture of your financial obligations, including what you owe in taxes. No missed deductions. A professional bookkeeper will meticulously track all eligible expenses, ensuring you maximize your deductions and credits. Overlooking deductions is a common reason for overpaying taxes or incurring larger than necessary liabilities. Proper asset tracking: for businesses with assets, like equipment or property, correct depreciation schedules can significantly impact tax liability. Accurate bookkeeping ensures these are handled correctly. Timely financial reporting: with organized books, Bookkeeper360 can provide you with regular financial statements, profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow statement. These reports are crucial for understanding your profitability and, by extension, your estimated tax burden. Regular review meetings with your Bookkeeper360 team can help you forecast tax liabilities. By knowing your financial performance throughout the year, you can anticipate your tax bill and set aside funds, rather than being hit with a large, unexpected sum at year-end. Identify trends. Spotting periods of high income means you can plan for higher tax payments. Similarly, understanding your expenses helps in strategic financial decisions that could impact tax. Tax planning and strategy. Bookkeeper360 goes beyond just record-keeping by offering tax planning services. Their team of CPAs and tax experts can work with you throughout the year to develop strategies to legally reduce your tax burden. This might involve entity structure advice: ensuring your business is structured in the most tax-efficient way, e.g., LLC, S-Corp, C-Corp. Proactive deductions: advising on opportunities for R&D tax credits, depreciation strategies, or other tax-saving measures specific to your industry. Estimated tax management: helping you calculate and pay estimated taxes correctly throughout the year to avoid underpayment penalties. Tax compliance guidance: keeping you informed about changing tax laws and ensuring your business remains compliant to avoid penalties. Sales tax and payroll tax compliance: beyond income tax, many businesses face sales tax and payroll tax obligations. Bookkeeper360 offers services to manage these complexities, ensuring timely filings and payments, which are common sources of tax debt if mishandled. They can help with W-2s, 1099s, and other necessary payroll tax forms. 2. Reactive resolution: navigating existing tax debt. If you're already facing tax debt, Bookkeeper360 can still be instrumental in helping you address it. While they are not a tax resolution law firm, their robust financial management services provide the critical foundation for any successful resolution. Organizing disheveled books, cleanup services often Tax debt is a symptom of historical accounting disarray. Bookkeeper360 offers cleanup services to bring your past books up to date. This involves reconciling accounts, categorizing transactions, and preparing accurate financial statements for previous periods. This is vital because IRS/tax authority requirements. When dealing with tax authorities regarding debt, accurate and complete financial records are non-negotiable. Bookkeeper360 can prepare the documentation needed for negotiations. Uncovering overlooked deductions. During the cleanup process, a professional might uncover expenses or credits from prior periods that were missed, potentially reducing your overall tax liability or penalties. Preparing for audits and negotiations. In cases of significant tax debt, tax authorities might initiate an audit or require detailed financial submissions for payment plans. Bookkeeper360 can assist by providing comprehensive documentation, supplying well-organized financial statements, ledgers, and supporting documents, receipts, invoices, to support your tax filings. Working with your tax preparer/attorney. While Bookkeeper360 doesn't directly represent you in an IRS audit, that's typically a CPA or tax attorney's role, they provide the clean, verifiable data that your tax professional needs to defend your position effectively. They can work in tandem with your chosen tax resolution specialist. Ongoing compliance. Once you've started to resolve your tax debt, maintaining accurate and compliant books becomes even more critical. Bookkeeper360's ongoing services ensure you don't fall back into old habits, helping you stay on track with future tax obligations and payments. The value proposition. Ultimately, Bookkeeper360 helps with tax debt by offering expertise, technology, and a systematic approach to financial management. They alleviate the burden of complex bookkeeping and tax compliance, allowing business owners to focus on their core operations. Their team of US-based experts provides peace of mind, knowing that your financial records are accurate, optimized for tax purposes, and prepared to handle scrutiny. For any business owner grappling with tax debt or seeking to avoid it, understanding that proper, continuous bookkeeping and strategic tax planning are your strongest defenses is key. Services like Bookkeeper360 provide the professional support needed to turn financial chaos into clarity, directly impacting your ability to manage and overcome tax challenges.